Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so if you are a regular viewer of my channel, no, your eyes are not deceiving you. Yes, I am filming multiple videos, so you will see this eye look in about 2 or 3 videos today because I have more things to film because you know what, you guys, I don't know, I guess I'm a glutton for punishment. Something will not let me let this go. So here we go with another IPSY bag opening. And you know what, you guys, I am going to try and keep a very open mind with this, okay? I am, because I do have to, you know, remember, yes, it's only 10 bucks. Yes, it is free shipping. But just because it's $10 don't mean I want nonsense. So we're going to keep an open mind though. So this is the bag for this month from IPSY, and of course it has this little lace up here. It's light pink and makes me feel a little Valentine's-y. It's making me think about Valentine's. So it's actually a cute little bag that we have this month, and this is what it looks like. And it has a little IPSY here on the tab, so that's cute. That's cute. Okay, let me go ahead and open this up and see what I got. So there is a card in here. It doesn't have any information, product information, but it has a little blurb about being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age. It's definitely about airbrushing images beyond recognition. The way we see it, sexiness is authenticity, it's real, it's confidence, it's celebrating the magic of your unique beauty, it's forgetting what you think you're supposed to be, and embracing everything that you are. So that is actually a very, very great message on the card this month. And it has just a picture of a lot of different variations of people and just showing the beauty in all of those people. So I like that, IPSY. Kudos to you. Okay, so let me just go in here and pull out this first item. And so this first item here, it says 417 hand moisturizer. So that is what this is. It is a hand moisturizer, and it's a pretty decent size. As you can see, it's not a baby sample. So let me go ahead and open this up. There is a seal on here, as there should be. But let me go ahead and test this out. I don't smell anything, but I'm sick right now, so I'm kind of getting over this flu or cold thing that's been going around. So I might not be able to smell stuff today, you guys. So let me just, it's very thick. It's a very nice thick, let me let you see. See, it's a very nice thick hand lotion. So it's more like it's a hand cream, I guess. It says hand moisturizer, but it really feels like a hand cream to me. Very nice. I actually need some of this, so let me go ahead and lotion my hands right quick. Came on camera all ashy and whatnot. So, oh, now I can smell it a little bit. It just has a nice soft scent to it. It's not anything strong or crazy smelling. It smells nice. Okay, so next item is a brush. So I got a eyeshadow brush, and this is from Luxie, and it is a double-ended brush. Let me take it out. This is a double-ended brush from Luxie. Very pretty. Has a little rose gold detailing on it, and it has the blending brush side. And then it also has here the flat type brush on this end. So that is very nice. I can always use a brush. Very, very nice. Okay, next. This is from IT Cosmetics, and it's called Bye Bye Under Eye. And so it's in this little package like this. And it says, it's your 8 hours of sleep in a tube. And let's see here, what color did they send me? This is warm deep, and then in parentheses it says deep rich. So I guess that should be the deepest darkest for me. Let me open this up right quick and pull this out. This is what the sample looks like. And let me see if I can open this. if they have these child-proof seals on here, I ain't gonna be able to get into it, you guys, but I am curious to see what the color is. And it's pretty thick, so this is the color that I got. So it's a nice deep warm brown color. And let me just tap it in a little bit. Yeah, so it's nice and thick. It looks like it probably has a very nice coverage for the under eye area. So yeah, that would work for me. It's a little sticky too, so, but it's definitely quite thick. Quite thick, and it doesn't look matte as of right now. I'll go ahead and let it sit on my hand and see what happens. So that is that. Very nice, very nice. Something else I could use. Okay, and so here I have something from Pure, and it's called Fully Charged, and this looks like a mascara. This is what that looks like. Nice sample size mascara. And it's in this nice plastic seal, so I'm not going to open this because I like to keep these little mascaras kind of wrapped up sometimes because I throw them in my travel bag and I don't want them to get dried out. So that is that. Nice mascara. And then lastly, I have one more item, and this is from Luna, and this is a highlighter. So that's what the box looks like. So let me go ahead and open this up. And this is a baked highlighter, and I'm assuming the name is Luna. I don't know if that's just, you know, because of the brand. I don't see another name on here, but this is a baked highlighter, and this is what it looks like. So it's very, very pretty, very nice. Looks kind of like a rose gold shade, but let me see if I can swatch it, see if it'll show up on me. I'll swatch it right here. Oh, okay, so yeah, it definitely swatched on me, but you can see it's kind of like a rose gold shade, so it's very pretty. I like it, actually. I'm not really into baked highlighters that much, but this one, I'll try it out. Actually looks nice. So, and I'm looking at that under eye, and it's still pretty shiny on my hand, so I would assume if I did go ahead and use that under my eye, maybe I can put it under my foundation. Not sure, I'll have to play around with it. So that is it for my IPSY bag, you guys. I definitely feel like this bag has been better than my last few bags. So currently I'm glad that I didn't cancel, because I would say that these products, I have a highlighter, I have a nice here Bye Bye Under Eye from IT Cosmetics. I have a nice hand cream I could throw in my purse, eyeshadow brush, and a mascara. So yeah, this bag, I don't have too many complaints about, you guys. I actually like it. So we'll see. As you can see, it's like impossible for me to cancel. So stay tuned and see what I get in my next bag. Anywho, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Toodles!